Happy Friday, Ballinger Creek. Mrs. Stein is back, and I am ready to celebrate. What an awesome week it has been. In fact, this is our last week of May for the school year. I can't even believe it. And speaking of our school year, I want to extend a huge thank you to Miss DeWong, who put together our 5th grade memory book. So we do not have traditional yearbooks this year, but our 5th graders will walk away with a memory book that has lots of fun pictures and quotes and baby pictures and all of our staff pictures to go into middle school with them. 5th graders, if you have not already ordered, you may purchase them at our 5th grade walkthrough. Thank you, Miss DeWong. Today, we are celebrating some awesome virtual classes. Let's start with Miss Chapin's kindergarten class, who has 80% of students that have met their Lexia goal. That's awesome, almost all of them. Just to name a few, Sierra, Adrian, Makai, James, Miriam, Stella, Esther, MG, Jiang, Amari, Amaya, Misri, Nicole, and Senna. Way to go! We also have leveled up this week. You can see their names there. Mina and Adrian are leveling up. Great work, Miss Chapin's class. Speaking of virtual classes, Miss Gensler's math class was awesome this week. I had the pleasure of visiting to watch those students learn about measurement and using different types of tools like cubes to measure objects and represent numbers. They had great thinking, and they were going to make sure that they lined up those cubes exactly for precise measurement. Awesome work, Miss Gensler's class. All right, so this student I want to celebrate, Zainab Suma. I hope I said her name correctly. She talks about school every week and says her favorite part is her friends and her teachers. And in fact, not only does she work hard and she's independent, but she talks about our Bobcat mission and vision and wants to build each other up. And boy, oh boy, boys and girls, now more than ever, that's one of the best things that you can do. Look for someone today that you can give them a compliment or a kind phrase and build them up, because we are only as strong as all of us together in our Bobcat community. So Zainab, you make me and your teacher, Miss Hansel, so proud. Speaking of proud, all the way up to 4th grade in Miss Whedon's class, she had so many stick-with-it students, I had a hard time listing them all here. So check out those names: Sophia Rendo, Rachel Delatum, Reinhard Jasul, Dimitri Fazenbaker, Alex Brockmans, David Delgado, Valerie Moreno, Josephine Howard, and Sandithi Wirawana. And boys and girls, if I did not say your name correctly, feel free to send me a Schoology message and tell me how to pronounce it, because it is important to me to get to know all of you and get to know how to pronounce your names correctly. I'm doing my best, but never hesitate to let me know. These students listed here are amazing, and we are so proud of them. They have been full virtual the whole entire school year, and they are not giving up yet. It's almost June. They are going to finish strong. So thank you for leading by example. One sweet little celebration this week, we have a new baby Bobcat to celebrate. Miss Barker had her baby, Joseph Michael, on Tuesday, actually, May 25th. So you can see a sweet picture of Joseph there. We all wish Miss Barker well, and we can't wait to see her again in the fall. Last but not least, Miss Debbie, our most amazing food service worker. If you come to school hybrid, you might see Miss Debbie in the cafeteria serving food, and all day long she delivers meals to our classrooms. She has open meal pickup on Wednesdays for any family in our community, and she works so hard, as well as all the food service workers that work here at Ballinger Creek, to ensure that you all have wonderful and perfectly packaged meals with love. So when you see Miss Debbie, tell her thank you, and she is amazing. Boys and girls, we have a 3-day weekend this weekend, as Monday we honor Memorial Day. So that is a day that we set aside for those who honor our country and fight for us and their families, and some give the ultimate sacrifice. So this Monday, we honor all of those men and women who protect us and keep our freedoms safe. We've had a wonderful last week of May in Ballinger Creek. I can't imagine it being any better, and I can't wait to see you next week to see what's happening in June.